Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate or enable the Roblox voice chat. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. It could be on your website, okay? And by the way, if you're using a console, you will have to open up your phone's browser or your computer's browser to be able to access the Roblox website, okay? And for you to be able to change the settings that are needed for you to activate voice chat, okay? So first up in here, I have the Roblox app open. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to the left panel, click on more, click on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to settings right here with a gear icon. And for mobile users, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do so as well later. Now here, just go ahead over to privacy and content restrictions. Just click on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to the right panel and click on communications, okay? Just click on it. Now go ahead over to voice chat. Click and make sure that this one right here, enable microphone, is toggled, okay? Now once that's done, go ahead over to your account info and make sure that you are 13 plus, okay? If you are 13 below, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to use the chat feature or voice chat feature, okay? Once you have added your birth date in here, just go ahead and click on verify to verify your identity and birth date. And once that's done, you're good to go. Now, if you're using a mobile device, you can go ahead and open up the mobile app, okay? Go to more tab, go to settings, then privacy and content maturity. Now go ahead and go to the communications tab, and under voice chat, the same as what we did earlier from the computer version, toggle use microphone to chat with voice on. All right, once that's done, open up a game that supports voice chat, and once done, enjoy. And additional note, you'll see an on-screen notification asking for your consent for voice recording special for safety, moderation, and improving Roblox tools and services. Note, not all devices will require this second prompt, right? Again, 13 plus users and phone number verified users will be able to enable the voice chat. And that's basically it. Just open a game. Once done, enjoy chatting. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.